I've previously shown you a shortcut for adding rows, and I've just added 2 rows. Now, let's select the first row. These are the cells above the table. Navigate to the Alignment group under the Home tab. Here, increase the font size and enter the heading for our table, Employee Record Details. Here's an important tip: if you prefer not to merge cells but still want to center-align text across multiple cells, here's an alternative method. Enter your heading or value, select the range where you want it centered. Now, press Ctrl+1. This will open the Format Cells window. Go to the Alignment tab, choose Center Across Selection from the horizontal drop-down, and press OK. This ensures your text is centered across the selected range without merging cells. These shortcuts can be handy, especially during interviews, so it's good to remember them. Next, let's format the heading. Apply borders, background colors, and font colors as I've explained previously. In Excel, under the Merge options, there's a drop-down menu. Let's explore the Merge Across option. This allows us to merge multiple cells across rows or columns, making them function as one large cell. It's useful for organizing data or creating titles that span multiple columns. Another useful tool is Wrap Text, located above the Merge options in the Alignment group. This tool automatically adjusts text within a cell when it exceeds the cell width. It splits the text into paragraphs and adjusts the row height accordingly. This helps maintain clarity and organization within your Excel sheets. By selecting Wrap Text, you'll see how the cell value adjusts to fit neatly within the cell boundaries. You can now customize the text alignment according to your specific needs, allowing for greater flexibility and clarity in various scenarios. Practice using these tools in different situations to become more proficient in Excel formatting and organization.